What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto. Tonight we have an awesome flight over Lindale, Texas. It's like 7 p.m., something like that. Let's see up there. I got the time up there. 21:06. So that is 9:06 in civilian time. 2100 is 9 o'clock. Hope everyone had an amazing day. Hope you're enjoying this little video right here. I'm just kind of playing with the editing software in my DJI OSMO Nano, baby. And this little crack yak's flying awesome. Twisted Hobbies crack yak. And that's really all I got to say about that. Hope everyone had a great day. Got a G meter in the top right. We got our angle of attack, which basically is just our angle from left to right in the center there. And all that stuff's available in the OSMO Nano app, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just playing with settings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get out of here and I will catch you later. If you are trying to edit things in the OSMO Nano, you have the editor when you first upload the video. It has some limited features, and then it has a more detailed video editor built into the app, and that's where you can do voiceovers and all that cool stuff as well. And don't forget to get yourself some ND filters as well. I'm running an ND8 right here, but I should not have had one on, I don't think. And there's also a super night mode, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's got so much stuff. It's really awesome. Catch y'all later. Very nose heavy.